Alright, boys. Well. This kind of looks like it's going to end around here. Jesus. You guys want to go hang out on the train station? There's the shopping cart. It's nicely in the middle. There's one of those.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go do that.
"41 meters north." Oh shit! There he is. I tagged him. It's a little closer.
Is he down?
One down.
Buddy too. I downed him, but then his buddy downed me.
You want to go get Scott?
Yeah, I'm just gonna finish this guy off.
You just revived them.
Aquí está el otro, chingada
verga.
Someone
Popping
give me
a
a
UAV? Yeah, I'm coming. UAV.
Yeah, there's 3 here. They're split
On the move.
on blue.
Okay, ready to move.
You see where they are? You want to, guys, watch out. They're right next to us.
there.
I'm running back.
Loadout drop inbound. Enemy UAV overhead. Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Ah, I'm down. Ah, there's a guy right on me. Ah, I'm gone, man.
You're dead? Fully dead? Okay. You're coming back though?
Oh.
Coming back, watch out.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Here's some money, boys. Mouse, take some cash. Is that enough? Yeah. I think we have enough for... No, we don't.
Man, come on. God damn it.
One down. He's gone. Got a buddy.
Got him?
We're back. I need a heal.
Yeah, I'm coming.
I got him. I got him. I got him.
Okay.
I got you, bud.
I got money for you guys.
Thank you.
We're going for that loadout.
We don't have to. I mean, I don't need. I have weapons. I'm just not ghosted.
I wouldn't mind getting ghosted. Oh,
Yeah.
there's a guy straight ahead.
Relocating.
Right. One down.
Okay, let's make our way down towards it. We can go hang out at this building after.
Going this way.
That's a decent building.
Somebody took a
Probably,
shot at
probably
me.
some money in there.
I have money here. $500.
That's what Phil needs. Phil, there's money right here. Here. Come right here.
Yeah, I'm on my way.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Car coming. That was from across.
Next building over.
I need a rev. Come on, come on. Let's go.
Stay down!
Trying to close the fucking door, bro.
I down one on top.
Yeah, west.
Next building over.
Oh my god, come on. I need to revive him on the roof of this building.
I'll go get him.
Cable set.
You going, Greasy? Alright, alright. There's another one.
I got an armor up.
That's in the garage?
Yeah.
Oh god, he fucking got me.
Enemy UAV
I'm
overhead.
like right along the side if somebody can get me.
Making a move.
One just parachuting in.
here. Yeah,
One
yeah, yeah.
parachuting in.
Enemy contact.
Fucking chain gun, man.
All right, you got to move.
I'm gonna put armor on, but there's an armor box.
Trophy system deployed. Enemy
Armor box.
into the AO.
Coming back.
Body armor here. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Yeah, this building here.
Inside or on top?
On top.
I'm doubling around to the back.
There he is, he ran around.
One down.
Down. The armor up.
I think there's still a guy up there.
I don't see him there, Mouse. He's on the roof.
One right around here on the other side where I am.
Oh, he's in the back.
Team right. Only 120 left on the rebuy, so we need to actually, I'd say we make it into this area, get in the building and buy self-revives as soon as the timer's up.
Still a team trying to rotate in.
Is that where we're going now?
There is a plan, but Mouse is firing at some people here right
Oh,
now.
okay. Let me see what's happening there.
Oh yeah, right across.
I don't see him
Heading
tag.
this way. Contact.
You're gonna have to run.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to come in this way.
They were pushing. I don't want to be pushed.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Let's secure him in the back of our building.
Go back in the other building.
Claymore set. Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone. Friendly drop back on the way.
I down one.
Okay, we should think of moving guys counterclockwise and then to this buy.
Okay.
Yeah.
"30 seconds on gas.
Going this way.
Let's not get caught up in it."
Yeah, let's hit the buy station. Let's do it now.
Yeah.
Let's go, boys.
Fuck, 2 guys on my mark there.
Phil, can you drop me 500?
Enemy UAV overhead.
Thanks, man. I'll get a UAV with that.
I'm down.
Where's that from?
Those guys, fucking the 2 guys that I think they came through the building and shot.
They're rotating in. Let's stick to our plan.
Okay, we could rebuy Scott.
So enemies on blue.
I'll rebuy Scott. It's gonna be close. I don't think I'll be able to make it. Oh yeah, maybe. It's slow, it's slow. You're right.
It's slow, yeah.
It's slow. Yeah, okay. Scotty, you're coming back, Bree.
I got you. Oh no.
You got Scott or what?
Yeah, I got him.
UAV, popping it now.
Allied UAV overhead.
Okay, we're
You might want to hover over the loadout,
Vehicles
Bonesy.
coming.
Oh, fuck. there's-
He's coming for the buy.
yeah.
No, if he couldn't make it, go to the other one.
He's going to that one. Yeah. Going to the other one. Let's go, let's rush him.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Chud, he's right around here.
He's ghosted.
He's in here.
The buy's clear. Yo, Bonesy,
Got a launcher here,
What?
never mind.
where are
Got
you
a
at?
launcher here.
He's hovering over the loadout. We should
No,
make our way.
I got it. I got it. I'm
Oh, you
just
got your
fucking
loadout.
stuck
Okay.
here. We're on the opposite side. I'll run across the field. Hopefully I'll make
Try
it.
to make it. Try to make it over here.
Yeah, let's meet at the gas station.
Let's go.
8 teams, 16 players left.
Gas is inbound.
Is there a ladder to get to the roof here?
There is. Could be a rough
Oh, yeah,
spot
I
though.
found
I'm
it.
in
Yeah.
the little building across.
Oh, someone.
He's down.
Another one I saw. Right here, he's around the other side. He's weak.
I downed him. Where's
Shit.
everybody?
Anybody have a UAV?
Team white.
UAV, anyone?
Don't have a UAV.
Shit.
3 teams, 6 players.
I
It's
see a guy
4 of us,
here.
2 singletons.
Guys,
Okay, guys. 4 of us and 2 singletons. Just hold your
Yeah.
composure. We got this.
You're losing ground.
Let them come to us.
28 meters west.
West. Alright.
Not everyone focus on there. Mouse has a good shot on him right now.
Yeah.
The other
13
one's
meters. He's right behind the building.
The other one's ghosted.
He's probably on the roof.
Right on the other side of the wall, Phil.
Cluster strike on the building.
Cluster strike the building. Do it.
Target's marked. You're cleared hot.
This is loader 2-0. Good copy.
Oh, he's jumping. Dead.
One more person. This guy's close, boys.
This is your last chance. Finish the job.
He went on the. He's on the roof.
Could be on the roof.
That's the only safe place for him.
Could be in the trucks.
Oh, I found him. I see him. He's there. Over there by the bus. Atta boy.
Good job, boys.